Welcome to my channel. Today, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see about decimals. Decimals. Let's see the introduction. Savita and Shama were going to market to buy some stationery items. Savita said, I have 5 rupees 75 paise. Shama said, I have 7 rupees 50 paise. How do you write in decimals? See, this is how you write. See, 5.75, 7.50. This is how we write in decimal points. Now we will see how it came. Okay. Here they have given another example of length of pencils. See, one length is 7 centimeters, 5 millimeters, one pencil. Other pencil is 8 centimeters, 3 millimeters long. Now you have to express length in centimeters using decimals. So, how will you write? We know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. That means 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 of a centimeter. Okay. That is 0.1. Always the denominator should be ones and zeros only. 1 followed by zeros. Then only you can write it in decimal. See how many zeros are there? 1 0. So how will you write it in decimals? This 1/10 in decimals, you write 1 and the point will be here or here. It will be here. Okay. After the point, you will have only one digit. That is 1. You can write zeros before that, after that also. So this will be the answer for 1/10. Here 1 millimeter is equal to 1/10 centimeter. This is also called 1/10 of a centimeter. Okay, 1/10 of a centimeter means 0.1 centimeter. Now we'll come to the pencil's length. 7 centimeters, 5 millimeters. No, 7 centimeters is 7. You can write like that only. 5 centimeters will be 5/10. 5/10 means it is 5/10 of a centimeter. It is 0.5. So you add 7 to 0.5. You get. You have 7 here. 7 means 7.00. 5/10 means it will be 0.50. So if you add this, you will get 7.5 centimeters. Okay. The next length is 8 centimeters, 3 millimeters long. So see, the length of Raju's pencil is 8 centimeters, 3 millimeters long. So it is 8 3/10 centimeters. 3/10 centimeters means 3/10 of a centimeter. That is equal to 0.3. So you will add 8 with 0.3. 8 centimeters you have. You can write 0.00. That does not affect the value of 8. Adding zeros will not affect, because after point only you are writing. If there is no point, it will be 800. No, 8 and 800, there is very huge difference. But now the value is the same. 8 means it is equal to 8.00. Any zeros after decimals is no problem. So with this 8 you are adding 0.3. Okay, 3/10 means it is 0.3. So the answer will be 8.3. 0 you can write or you can omit. Okay. So it is 8.3 centimeters, because only one digit we are mentioning, 1/10. So only one digit is after 0. So you can omit this. We can omit this 0. Okay. The 0 is not needed. So the answer will be 8.3 centimeters. Okay. The next one, the next page you have. Say, let us recall what we learned earlier. If we show units by blocks, then each one unit is one block. Okay, this unit will be one block. 2 units will be 2 blocks, and so on. One block is divided into 10 equal parts. Means each part is 1/10 of a unit. So each part, this part will be, see this part they are drawn separately. This will be 1/10 of a unit. Okay. 2 parts show 2/10 and 3 parts will show 3/10. So how will you record this? You have how many units here? How many blocks are there? 2 blocks. So that you have written here. In one's column you have written 2 and in 10th column you have 3. So that you have written 3. That means 2.3. Okay. It can be written as 2.3 and read as 2.3 only. You can't say 23. It is written as, it will be read as 2.3 only. Let us look at another example where we have more than ones. Each tower represents 10 units. So the number shown here is, see, we said this is one block. 10 blocks will form one tower. Okay. So you have 2 towers. Actually they are tens. Ones and tens positions are there. In tens positions you will write 2 because there are 2 towers, you are writing it as 2. In ones position you have 3 that you have written here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the 5/10 position. So 5/10 means 0.5. So altogether you will have, this is 2/10 means 2 into 10. Then you will have 20. 3 ones means 3 into 1, that is 3. Okay. And you have 5 tens, no? So it is 5 into 1/10. That is 5/10 will be 0.5. So adding all these, you will get 20 plus 3, 23 plus 0.5, 23.5. Okay. This here, 23.5. You will read it as 23.5. Then we will see the try these examples. Okay, coming to try these. Can you now write the following as decimals? What is this? 5, 3, 8 and 1. So how do you write this? This answer will be, first answer will be 5, 3, 8.1. Okay. 5 into 100, 3 into 10, 8 into 1 plus 1/10, that will be 0.1. So you can simply write like this. You need not expand and write. So seeing these only you can write. You need not expand 5 into 100. You need not write that. You just write 5, 3.1. That is enough. The next one will be 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 7 tens and 3 ones. And you have 4 tens. So the answer will be 273.4. Next one will be, see, 3 hundreds, 5 tens, 4 ones, and you have 6 tens. 6 tens means 0.6. So this will be 354. And this 0.6 you are adding. So 354.6. Okay, the next one is write the length of Ravi's and Raju's pencil in centimeter using decimals. So what was the length of the Raju's pencil? Second one, Raju's pencil length is equal to 8 centimeters 3 millimeters. That means 8 centimeters will be 8 only. 3 millimeters is 3 by 10 centimeters. So that is 0.3. 0.3 centimeters. So the answer will be 8.3 centimeters. Ravi's pencil length is equal to 7 centimeters 5 millimeters. 7 centimeters is 7 only. 5 millimeters is 5 by 10 centimeters. So that will be 7 plus 5 or 0.5 centimeters is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Okay. Okay, the next question. Make 3 more examples similar to the one given in question 1. You have to make 3 more examples like this and do. So that is your job. You have to do. Okay. You can take any 3 numbers and you can do. Next one is representing decimals on number line. We represented fractions on number line. Let us now represent decimals too on number line. Let us represent 0.6 on a number line. We know that 0.6 is more than 0 but less than 1. There are 6 tenths in it. Divide the unit length between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts and take 6 parts as shown. So you have 0 here, 1 here, and between 0 and 1 you have 10 divisions. Okay, all these are divisions. 10 divisions are there and you are counting 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6th division. There you are marking it as 0.6. Write 5 numbers between 0 and 1 and show them on number line. So what are the numbers you can write on the number line? So you can write this one will be 0.1. This will be 0.3. This will be 0.5. This will be 8. 0.8. Okay. So the 6 numbers will be, this is 0.1. So what are the 6 numbers? You can write it as 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8. All these are 5 numbers between 0 and 1. Next one, can you represent 2.3 on the number line? And also check how many ones and tens are there in 2.3. Where will it lie on the number line? See, 2.3 on a number line. 2.3 means it is greater than 2 and it is less than 3. It is lying between 2 and 3. So there you have 10 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 divisions are there. So where will be 2.3? Third division after 2. 1, 2, 3. So this will be 2.3. Okay. This will be 2.3. How many ones and tens are there? Ones you have, ones will be 2. 2.3 means, see in this tabular column you can see. Ones position you will have 2. And in the 10th, 1 by 10th position, there you have 3. So here 2 and here 3 you will write. Okay. Then the next one is, can you represent 1.4 on a number line? 1.4 will be between 1 and 2. It is greater than 1, it is less than 2. So 1.4 will be, this will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is this one. That's all. Coming to the examples. Example 1 is, write the following numbers in place value table, 20.5 and 4.2. So you have to make a place value table, means you have to make a tabular column, write tens, ones, tenths. So this is tens and this is tenths. This is, you are multiplying each number by 10. Here you will be multiplying this number by 1 by 10. 20.5, how you will represent? You will put 2 in tens place, 0 in ones place, 0.5. So that will be in tenth place. 4.2, there is no tens. So there you have putting, you have nothing to write. So you write 0. Then 4. Ones will be 4 ones. This is 0.2. So that you are writing in the 10th position. The next one is example 2. Write each of the following as decimals, 2 ones and 5 tens. First one, 2 ones plus 5 tens. 2, for this 2 ones you will write 2. 5 tens means 5 by 10. So that is 0.5. So 2 and 0.5 you get 2.5. The next one is 30 and 1 by 10. So 30 you will write it as 30 only. 1 by 10 you are writing it as 1 by 10 means it, in decimal it will be 0.1. So 30 plus 0.1 is 30.1. Coming to the next example, write each of the following as decimals. 30 plus 6 plus 2 by 10. 30 plus 6 you know it is 36. 2 by 10 will be 0.2. So that altogether it will be 36.2. Then 600 plus 2 plus 8 by 10. 600 plus 2 is 602. See, 602. 8 by 10 is 0.8. So altogether it will be 602.8. Next one is writing fractions as decimals. How do you write fractions as decimals? We have already seen how a fraction with a denominator 10 can be represented using decimals. So we have already seen how a fraction with denominator 10 can be represented using decimals. Now you see, we are going to see about fractions which do not have denominator 10. Example 11.5. Okay, 11.5. This you have, the denominator should be in 10 or 10 ones and zeros only. Okay, so after 5 the nearest denominator will be 10. The denominators can only be 10, 100, 1000, etc. 1 followed by zeros. Only that will be in the denominator. So in this example, see 11 by 5, you have to bring this denominator 5 in terms of 10. This should be changed to 10. How will you do that? It should be same. The value also should not change. So you can write into 2 by 2. Okay. 2 by 2 is 1. So anything multiplied by 1 will give you the same number. So this 11 by 5 is not going to change even if you write it in terms of 10. 5 into 2 is 10. So 11 into 2 will be 22. So this fraction 11 by 5 is also equal to 22 by 10. Okay. 22 by 10 means you have to place a decimal point between them. such a way that after the decimal point you have only one digit. There is 1 0 in the denominator. So only one number will be after the decimal point. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the next part. Next part is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. How do you write this 2? You should change it into the form 1 by 1 0. 1 followed by 0. Only that form will be in the denominator, so that you can write it in decimal form. So how will you change into 5 by 5? We are going to do. So 1 into 5 will be 5. 2 into 5 will be 10. So it is 5. 0.5. Okay. So 1 by 2 is the same as 0.5 in decimal notation. Now we are going to see the reverse. This is fractions to decimals. Now decimals to fractions. How we are going to do this? Now let us see. Till now we have learnt how to write the fractions with the denominators 10, 2 or 5 as decimals. Can we write a decimal number like 1.2 as fraction? How we are going? Now let us see. 1.2 is 1 plus 2 by 10. Okay. This 0.2 is nothing but 2 by 10. So, while adding this, how will you add? The denominators should be in the same. Should be the same. Then only you can add the numerators. So, this 1 is equal to 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means you will cancel 10 and 10 and the answer will be 1. So, this 1 can be written as 10 by 10 plus 2 by 10. So, 10 plus 2 is 12. So, the answer will be 12 by 10. This is the answer. Please like, comment and share. Also subscribe. Thank you for watching.